Hi, I'm Olga from Applet Studio. I help web designers and creative business owners get the most out of Squarespace. And the most common question that I often hear is this: how do I change my Squarespace template? It's not as straightforward as it sounds. It's not like you hit a button and you change your template in Squarespace as in WordPress, but there are options. So let me walk you through. Maybe you started a trial and template looked good at first, but now it feels too basic, too Squarespacey. Or maybe your site is already live, you're paying for the subscription, and suddenly there is another premium template that you like and you want to use, but you cannot just switch them with one click. And the frustration is real. Here's exactly what you can do to switch your template. First of all, why can't you switch templates in Squarespace? So in Squarespace, all the sites live in the account, and each site is a standalone site. So there aren't really any templates in Squarespace per se. The templates are just pre-made websites that you duplicate into your account and you use them. So when you're trying to change the design of the site that you have to manually rebuild the site. And if you want to start from scratch, you just start a new Squarespace trial. Option 1, you start a 14-day trial on Squarespace and you fall out of love with it, you don't want to upgrade it. You can just start another trial, another 14-day trial, and there is a way to extend that trial too after this initial 14-day period is over. So you can keep creating trials until you're happy. You don't have to pay for the subscription. This is the first option. The second option is you buy a premium template from a company like ours, or there are many premium Squarespace templates creators. These templates, they come as a 6-month trial or a 1-year trial. And what you can do with them, you can duplicate them in your account to play with them. So keep creating trials, keep duplicating websites until you're happy, and if you are in this experimentation stage. If you have an established website, so you paid for the subscription and you started building it, it's working, it's live, but you're just unhappy with it. Second option is to get premium Squarespace template and have a company like ours install it for you. So what we're gonna do when we install this template for you, we're going to pass protect your site. We're going to manually swap all the styles and upload new layouts to your site. So your existing layouts will pick up the new styles, but you're going to have a whole bunch of new pages which will look exactly like the premium template that you're looking for. This is the third option. The fourth option is you can buy a premium template or create another trial on Squarespace and manually migrate the styles and the pages yourself using a plugin. We use this plugin that's called Squarespace Chrome Extension Pro. It lets you move styles and pages between sites and also move sections between sites. The best way to go about it, if you have an established site and you want to change the design, and this is something that I am recommending to my clients all the time, is to start a new trial site, have a company like ours create it for you, like a 1-year trial, build out your entire site in this trial website, then upgrade it, buy a new subscription, and just move your domain name. While moving your domain name, you need to make sure that you preserve the URL structure of your site. So that way, your active website, your existing website, remains untouched, it's active, it's generating you leads, but you're building a new website on the side. So this is the most efficient way that I'm recommending to clients, and don't be afraid of switching over domains on Squarespace, because if your domain name lives on Squarespace, it's really easy to move between sites. And Squarespace is pretty open about giving prorated refunds. So if you start a new website on Squarespace and you pay for a new subscription, you can always ask for a prorated refund for your previous website. So that's the last option. So whatever your situation, write to me on Instagram. I'm always very happy to answer questions, or write to me in the comments.